guys, who do we have here?
Wendy,
Jerry.
What are we doing today?
jumping off a plane.
Jumping out of a plane.
Jumping out of a perfect good airplane.
Mark is taking off. What have we been?
You guys must be
Pretending to be
crazy.
Tom Cruise.
I like it. Heck yeah. Whose idea was it?
Well, it's those guys' ideas.
With the group,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I
yeah.
signed him up without asking.
That's true. That's true. It's like, hey, show up this thing for dinner. Now I'm here.
Awesome. Last words, final comments, confessions?
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it is. Let's go rock the skydive.
Trusting you 110.
Trusting you.
Thank you.
Here we go. Oh yeah. Here we go. Woo.
Guys, we found an airplane.
Woo.
with you?
You ready? Scared? You nervous? Excited? Let's get up. Let's get out of here. Let's go have some fun. High five.
Good.
High five. High five. Here we go.
Okay. Pretty good? No, I'm good.
Woo, what do you think, man?
Oh my, wow.
Pretty cool, right?
No kidding.
Gonna do it again?
Give it a few years.
High five.
High five.
Woo!